Welcome to Merchant Tech Studio, your trusted technology partner right here in San Antonio, Texas. We were formerly known as Century Cash Register, but over the years, we've really evolved to become a leading provider of advanced business technology solutions. We're proud to serve retailers, restaurants, bars, hotels, and specialty shops all across the region. As a proud member of the Texas Restaurant Association, we're deeply committed to helping businesses streamline operations and elevate the customer experience. At Merchant Tech Studio, we offer a full portfolio of cutting-edge tools including state-of-the-art point-of-sale systems, self-checkout kiosks, cash registers, scanners, printers, and secure payment processing solutions, all designed to meet the demands of today's fast-paced retail and hospitality environments. Whether you're launching a new location or upgrading your existing setup, our knowledgeable team is here to provide customized, reliable solutions backed by decades of industry experience. We're open Monday through Friday and available by appointment on weekends to serve you better. Call us today at 210-732-1158 to schedule a consultation and discover how Merchant Tech Studio can power your business into the future.